Hello guys, first of all I would like to tell you that we are so close to 200 subscribers. So hit the subscribe button if you haven't. So today I'm going to show how to share files that are very big and take space up to 2 GB. First you will have to search Wetransfer in the web and go to the first link. Now click on the three dots over here and select the option Get Transfer Link, and now click on the white space over here. Select the file that you want to transfer and open it. Now click on Get a Link. Now the file is getting uploaded, so just wait for some time till it is 100%. You can transfer files up to 2 GB. If you want to transfer files that are bigger than 2 GB, you will have to pay some money to Wetransfer. Now it is almost 100%. Okay, so the file is uploaded 100%. Now you just copy the link and send it to the person you want to share the file. Now when the person opens the file using this link, a page like this will open and he can download it from here, and that will automatically come to his PC or laptop. So in this way we can transfer very big files in an easy and safe way using Wetransfer. Please like, share, subscribe, and also don't forget to comment.